Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a super exciting one. Well, sort of exciting. The 335 is alive. We are at Solankis Auto to check it out. The motor is fully rebuilt. She's actually running, but she's not yet ready to come home. Unfortunately, there is still a boost leak. So we are trying to figure out whether it is a faulty actuator or boost solenoids. I'm actually here to drop off another actuator that I got for the rear turbo, which seems to be giving us some issues. We're going to do some testing and see if that solves the problem, and then hopefully it would be time to bring her home. So actually, here she is. Looks like the wrap has held up pretty well throughout this process. Shout out to Janak from Solankis Auto for obviously keeping my car under cover throughout the process. This is their place in Lenasia, and yeah, let's go inside and have a chat. We'd already known that the rear turbo actuator was an issue when the turbos were out, and we did the necessary tests. Unfortunately, the replacement actuator that we had fitted seems to have also been a bit faulty. It was holding pressure, but not for a very long time, whereas my previous rear turbo actuator wasn't holding pressure at all. This device allows us to pump pressure into the new actuator that I brought in, or rather new used actuator, to test whether or not it is going to hold pressure adequately to obviously replace the faulty one that's currently on my rear turbo. And after pumping it up to 10 bars and leaving it for a good 5 to 10 minutes, we noticed that it held pressure perfectly. Hey guys, so we have JDM Jones' car here. Beautiful 120D wrapped. Either use stack only, of course, as you can see, and for some TLC at Solankis as well. But yeah, let's take our 335 for first drive after almost a year. Still loving that red interior. Hey guys, this is going to be the first startup in almost a year. I actually forgot that I need to use a key on this car. It's really hot in here. Let's open that up. Kind of nervous doing this. She's alive, man. She's alive. Let's take her out for a quick drive and yeah, see how she feels. Feels so good to be back in the 335. I've missed this car so much. It's just a special car to me, guys. I know a lot of people hate on the N54, and of course they say it's really problematic and stuff, but I don't know, man. It's just always held a special place in my heart. So I'm just gonna take it for a quick spin, and then we're gonna head back to Solankis, where Janak is going to show me what's happening to the actuator on the rear turbo and how it's losing pressure. Be back in a bit. got our 330D and the Solankis Auto 330D. There's this kitted out with the M Performance kit from factory. So it's got the glass black spoiler, as you can see. It's got the diffuser, performance side soles, black mirrors. On the ours has that too, and then the front lip. It's also the first time the 330D is meeting our 335. Still such a good looking car, guys. Still such a good looking car. Let's look at it.
Right?
Okay. At this point, Janak is pumping pressure into the rear actuator that is faulty, so he can show me exactly how quickly it is losing pressure compared to the new actuator that we purchased, which obviously, as you'd seen previously, is holding pressure perfectly. So in a matter of minutes, it's already lost half of its pressure that has been pumped in, and that's obviously a clear indication of it leaking pretty badly. And a few more minutes later, it is almost depleted completely. We then went ahead and plugged in the pressure test to the front turbo actuator, which is holding pressure perfectly. So yeah, definitely just the rear actuator that was faulty and that needed replacing.
Okay guys, so we have finally gotten to test drive the 335. It's finally up and running. Hopefully this is the last stretch. Once we get that boost leak sorted out, as you've seen, obviously it is the rear turbo actuator that's giving us some trouble. We've managed to source another one. Janak is going to go ahead and replace it, do all the necessary adjustments with the wastegate arm, and yeah, hopefully in about a week or two we can finally collect the 335. Thanks so much for obviously tuning in and for joining me on this journey. Of course, a very exciting update with today's episode of video on the carbon connection. As always, please remember to subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.